What if you could travel 10,000 years into the future?
The continents never stand still.
Mountains rise where oceans once lay.
And oceans deepen, swallowing the old world.
Life evolves into forms we've never seen.
Forests, unlike anything familiar.
The climate grows more extreme. Storms rage across the planet. Will the oceans take over everything?
Or will dryness claim the earth?
A balance, always shifting.
No trace of humanity remains.
Only echoes, hidden in stone. Even the oceans forget. Earth continues without us.
Life persists in new forms. Now, 1 billion years into the future. The sun burns hotter than ever before. The oceans begin to vanish. Water becomes rare.
The planet struggles to survive.
Only the simplest life endures. No humans, no civilizations.
Did we leave long ago? Spreading across the stars?
The future of Earth is uncertain, but its story is eternal.